Hey William, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Sir, thank you so very much for your recent online interest through the USA Auto Buying Service on one of our all-new 2019 Honda HRVs. I believe you're after a sport package, which is what this one is here. Being Alabama's leading volume dealer, we're going to have the best inventory for you to choose from on the ground right now. We've got several color options available, but the new sport package is by far my favorite. As you can see, the nice piano black offset trimming on the bottom, and the wheels are a nice two-tone machine finish with that glossy piano black. You got the display, which is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It'll be able to stream navigation, all the music streaming resources. Not to mention, it's one of the best value packages we have. Smoky chrome finish throughout. It gives you that nice versatility for crossover with the virtual seating arrangements we have in our 2019 model lineup. You got to call me today. You can reach me at 205-504-2358. Let me get you the exact information you're after. Again, Trent Tate with Tameron Honda. I'll make you this promise. When you make it on down, you're going to love the way you treat it.